That's because she was playing around with a 20-year-old in the bar.
I didn't see that. DNA test, guys. If it's a problem, DNA test. And throw it into your husband's face.
Good morning, Philippines!
What did you do? What did you do last night? What did you do last night? Sit. No. Sit down. Who ate din? Sit down. I want you to sit. Stop kissing me. I know. Stop kissing me. Sit. You sit. Oh, good girl. What did you do? You ate your din or what? Did you eat your din? Do you want some bunsi with your din? You cannot go over there because you don't show me that you ate your dinner or breakfast. Din, whatever we called it, din, right? We called it din. Who did it pee over there last night? You said, I know you did. You hiding from me last night. No, I want you to sit down. Stop. You don't eat. You have to eat. I'll give you bones. You eat this first. Good morning. Gusto niya ng bones kasi sabi niya kumain daw siya. Kinain lang niya yung nilagay ko na ham at hindi kinain yung ano. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Ito siya, oh. Tulog na tulog pa kami, nag-i-snore pa. Pero maganda siya, guys. Look. Tuesday ngayon, sobrang ulan kagabi. Tinignan ni Tami yung bahay ni Bianan. May mga camera doon. Guys, nagbaha sa basement. So, gusto niyang umuwi kagabi. Sabi ko, tulog ka lang dyan. May pump naman doon. Nagpa-pump yung ano. So, saka I think aalis siya today very early, guys. Kasi, dahil sa tubig doon, ang dami ng tubig. Grabe ang ingay. Yung alarm, ang ingay talaga. Walang tao doon. Yung mga kapitbahay, rinig na rinig yun. Anyway, so may mga palaging tumatawag sa akin na hindi ko naman sila kilala. Nag-leave pa ng voicemail. Hold on, ha. Pakinggan nga natin ang voicemail nila, be. What? Anybody can understand this? Kaluka naman ito, Chinese-san ako. Sinasabi dito na yung lupa ng Pilipinas, binibili na lahat. So, yung lupain ko doon, kung meron akong lupain sa Pilipinas, binili ng China. I will hold it.
No, it's not there already.
No,
The oil cap on it leaked off if you move it on. Clean this.
Dirty na?
From the saw.
How much is it? Oh, the whole bottle?
Yeah.
So every time you do it, you have to do it? You buy this bottle?
Every 25 hours.
Gassy man. He smell a gas, guys. Spill everything on the ground, and then now Roxy will step in it, lick her paw. How can we get rid of it?
Throw an ash on it.
Ash?
Ash.
Ash?
Ash. That's not gonna get rid of it.
Why have fire all the time?
How do you get rid of gas?
The only problem to Roxy eat cutlet.
Well, you put it on, let it soak up, and you sweep up a cat, you don't just leave it there.
What do you think of? I want your opinion about prank.
About a prank?
Yeah. Is it mean to prank?
Depends on the prank.
You know, the couple that want kids, want baby like us, that want baby that kind of have, or
Yes, that would be mean. You don't ever make fun of something, a shortcoming. Humor is humor, and it's funny if you sit there and say, you know, and they sit there and say, oh, you drink coffee like this with one finger out, and oh, you like, you want to make fun of that, okay, or something else. But you don't make fun of somebody's physical attributes that they have no control over, that they may be self-conscious about. You don't make fun of somebody's shortcomings, that they have, you know, only use of one leg, or they can't have children, or they can't, because that's not something they control, and they're probably very sensitive about it to start with. And to sit there and make a joke about it is not funny.
okay, listen, you know why I talk about this?
Mm-hmm.
Because you and me, guys, listen to this. Tammy and I both want kids, and few of you guys suggest about pregnant prank to Tammy. And you know, a lot of this since long time ago, a lot of people requested, and I never did, because I know my feelings and his feelings, and I know that is really emotional for us, because both of us want it, and then it's gonna joke about it. Yeah, I can joke about divorce, I can joke about, you know, separated, but when it comes to baby, because I've been wanting this, Ryan, I've been wanting it for a long time, and Tammy the same thing. So I cannot really joke and prank about it. I cannot even.
Guys, I make fun of everything and everyone. I never ever make fun of anything personal.
Yeah.
I don't make fun of a person's weight. I don't make fun of a person's appearance unless it's something they do intentionally, like somebody makes a weird haircut on purpose. Then
Yeah.
I'll make fun of their haircut.
Yeah.
I don't make fun of something, a
Disabilities,
personal.
no.
I don't make fun of any attribute that people don't have control over. Because first, you don't know. You don't know whether they're fine with it or the inside it really bothers them, and they just don't show you that it really bothers them. You're making fun of it, and it's just going to make them feel worse. It's not funny at that point. It's just mean.
Yeah.
There's a difference between funny and mean.
For
And
example,
this has nothing to do with me. People can make fun of anything they want with me. I'm just fine. I'm saying as a rule, I don't make fun of things people can't control. You know, somebody stutters, you don't make fun of the way they talk. It's just, it's not
it's
funny.
very insulting.
It may be funny between you and your friends talking about
Yeah.
them when they're over there, but if they find out, it's not funny to them because they're already self-conscious about it. It's just not a funny thing.
To make everything worse.
8-year-olds do in school because they have no conscience about what's funny and what's not funny. They make fun of people who are different.
Yeah. It's like a bully.
But you're not 8 years old because they think it makes them more popular with everybody else.
Yeah, but it's
By putting down somebody else, it makes them more popular. God has his own plans, and apparently that's not part of them.
a lot of people do say something about their friends, like us. Like the woman is become 50 because their marriage is like long, and no kids. And then when the woman get 50, somebody comments somebody about
It happens.
and then she get pregnant and she
It
gets
happens.
50.
That's because she was playing around with a 20-year-old in the bar.
I don't see that. Don't see that. Don't see that. 20 years old. Ridiculous, 20 years old. So you think if I get pregnant in 50, I was playing with like 20 years old somewhere else.
It doesn't have to be somewhere else. Could have been right here. I'd be at work.
Hello, way. Hello. DNA test, guys. If it's a problem, DNA test. And throw it into your husband's face after that. And then divorce him. He will be sorry and he cannot see some baby.
I knew lots of people who the doctor said they could never have children, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, they did.
Really? Brent no more pictures. Continuation from the other day. Because iring nagakos good guys ay daghan kaayo iring. Nagakos right Han? We are done. Done doing the pictures. And I kind of hungry. I don't know what to eat really. Gusto ko to. Ang sabi pa, guys, thank you guys so much guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito i-pronounce. Woy! Ano pala ito? We. I'm gonna tell Tommy. Okay, I'm gonna ask him how to pronounce this if he's correct. I forgot. He said something about the previous vlog. Maybe he did something wrong. I asked him again kung ano yung pronunciation niya dito. Uy, pala ito. Yes daw ito sa French. Yes. Sa English. Yes daw. Pero sa something, we and yes. We. Yes. We, yes. Itanong natin sa isang taong mamaya ko na to kainin. Magsakit kasi yung tiyan kapag wala akong kinain and then maginaw yung kinakain ko. Hala, uy, I have to close all the windows, guys. Kasi alis kami. Han? Yeah. All windows closed. What? All the windows. It's 12 o'clock already, guys. Wala kasi yung asawa ng kapatid ni Tami. Yung ina din niya is matanda na din. So, dalawa yung matandang inalagaan nila. And then, paano lang sila. Yung asawa niya is palipat-lipat. May appointment daw. So, yan. Ha? Yeah. Do you know what is the real pronunciation with this?
We.
Hello, oy, how do you know, Han?
It's French, huh?
Hello, oy. Han, the comment in the previous vlog, yeah, to pronounce that it's we, and then in the English is yes.
So we is yes in English, exactly right.
We is
that's what the French word we means. Yes.
Yeah, that's what they said in the comment. Our viewers are very smart, Han. And I said, let me see if Tommy is right. But you are wrong, baby. Why you want like that?
You spent all day telling me how wrong I was about that. Last time I was here.
Because I thought it's wait.
Yeah, it goes all you.
Wait.
Universal word. Wait.
Han, you're gonna forget this. I pay him $100, guys. No, don't tell me that I don't help. I did, guys. Sa mga taong sabi na wala akong natulong, I don't help my husband natin. I cannot. Han, I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna be hungry. I try to eat the chocolate, Han, in the car. Han, I eat it. It's stuck in my teeth forever. Oh, this is a caramel thing.
Right, not chocolate.
Are you eating? Hello, we have to give the cat something, Han. I'll be right back, guys.